How to check location history in Google Maps. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Google Maps application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now in order to check your location history, what you can simply do is tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. But make sure that you're logged into your account. So let's tap on the search bar, and here you can see all the search history of your locations. Now it is not necessary for you to be in that location particularly. It might just be your search history as well. So you can also tap on more from recent history and you can see all the recent searches. Now next, what you can simply do is, to check the location history, simply go back and tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Select on your timeline options, and as you do that, you can just select and go back on time. So you can just select the date over here. So let's select the date. Let's select the date. So after selecting the date, it will show you where were you, what was the location. So make sure you have toggle on the location history. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.